Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video, is another beautiful video, guys, over here in Kenya, Africa, to be specific. Nyabohanse is Bania village, one of the greatest village ever in Africa and in the whole world. I can say so because I want to be proud of our village. So this day today is another great day, and I give much thanks to Almighty God for this beautiful day. It's early morning, but seems like it's not morning, because of rain and everything. And yeah, so today, that's how it is. The weather is not that much good, but it's kind of gloomy. That's what you see it. Oh my God, look at the sky, look at the sky, look at the sky, look over there. You see that blue thing? That's how it is. So it's making us, those are the clouds. They're called nimbus clouds or cirrus clouds or whatever. Tell me at the comment section for those who know about the clouds and everything. That's it. And should subscribe to this YouTube channel. Today there's a lot of activities to be done around here at home, and it was good for me to just share with you this kind of activities that are going to be done here at home, because sometimes when I'm this, I'm like, hey CJ, it's good for you to show the activities around here, because this channel is always generalizing everything, and its stability is to always grow and show people how to learn, and also to give you amazing informations of each and every single day, motivating and informing you. So it's very cold over here, and that's why you can't see the teacup can't leave me from the hand. I was just drinking tea. It's called milk tea. The moringa, mixed with beautiful moringa. You know moringa? If you know moringa, let me know in the comment section if you know moringa and its best and the benefits of moringa. Yeah, so remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. If you subscribe today, and if you haven't subscribed, be on the process of subscribing. It's just a matter of clicking that red words written subscribe and turning on the notification bell, and of course that's the best way to go. Best way to go. So yeah, that's it. So today I want to show you the general cleaning. It's a general cleaning, but something, trimming the flowers, sharing of whatever, fixing the toilet, because right there a plumber is trying to put what you call like a breather, because the other plumber, when they came here, they never put what you call like a breather. So he's going to put what you call like breather, and I'm going to show you the process of fixing it. But for that, just work over here. What matters a lot is fixing and trimming these beautiful flowers of ours over here with my brother Jacob. So he wanna show his prowess, he wanna show his talent, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about this, and also about his job. Well, I want to introduce you to him, but not now, because for now he's fixed. That's why you see our home has been so bushy sometimes, because it's raining, and on the other hand, it's like when it rains, these ones grow very, very, very bushy. So he's going to just make his magic. As always, he's going to create some beautiful magics over here. So let's wait. That's just in lawnmower without any machine, but using his bare hands. Look at, he's trying to play with come on, man. Soothe, leave kitty. Soothe, leave kitty, man. Come on. What's wrong, bro? Come on, kitty. That's how you see they play. I've never seen what you call like dogs play with a cat. They're just very, very best friends. But in other, dogs and cats are enemies. Over here, we always say dog and a cat. At my home, a dog and a cat, they're just best friends. Yeah. Oh, Maria is crying. Okay, let me see. Some birds, they're fighting. Look. Oh, there's some pigeons. Are they called pigeons? I don't know, pigeons or what. They're fighting. Beautiful home. A lot of birds. Look. Oh, it has gone. It's a beautiful dog, Soothe. Look, guys, look. Look at this dog. It's just carrying it. And it's carrying the dog, the cat up. Look. They're just best friends playing down, Tom and Jerry. And as I told you, it's drizzling already. Already it's drizzling out here. Look, I don't know if you can see it, it's drizzling already. So we have been experiencing heavy rains, which is a blessing also. So yeah, let's wait and see how it's going. If it will be raining and then it stops me from working, it will be crazy. So you see we have kales here. We have a lot of skuma wiki, in which also I'm going to plant them. I'm going to just cut some small, you know, these have suckers, so you can just transplant this and this. So you can cut this small and then you transplant them and then they grow very well. So this is what we call skuma wiki. So we have different skuma wiki. We have different varieties of skuma wiki. We have that one that grows in one term and that one that grows lifetime. So like this one grows lifetime, you know, it sometimes never grows old. It depends with how you are treating it. So like here they have been cutting it, so this one is planted from this and this one also is planted from this other side. So I'm going just to remove some of the branches also, so that we can prepare also a place where we can plant them. Also my brother is doing great. He's just trying to clear the bush over here so that we can do what we call like continue digging this place and then we plant more and more kales. Yeah, man, wave from there, bro. Wave.
Hi.
Yes.
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm still up putting off this bush here.
The bush.
Yeah. This branch is here. So
Okay.
in order they give me free space
To
the trimming and designing of this.
of the flowers.
Yeah.
Yeah, and introduce yourself, man.
Yeah. I'm called the Green Man.
The green man.
The Green Man, no, Chacha Jacob. Yeah. The Green Man. They usually call me Green because they usually call the activities of environmental.
Okay.
Yeah. So
This is what you see, guys. He's always ever on green clothes and attires to commemorate to commemorate or to go hand in hand with the nature. Even maybe a green snake or a snake grass in the grass. No,
the green snake.
the green snake in the grass.
In the green grass.
The green grass in the snake. Is it a green?
In the green grass.
Green snakes in the green grass.
Yeah,
Okay.
you camouflage.
Yeah, so it can also camouflage like a green snake in a green grass.
In the green grass.
Yeah, so he's a big green snake in a green grass. Yeah, so that's what you see here. What is then trying to do? Sold expensively, Jacob.
Which plant?
This kind of plant.
That it is.
So if you know, in big hotels, they always want to keep the place warm.
Yeah.
And just like we call it, when I was traveling actually in Asia, more so in Asia, this kind of plants are being cut and then it grows big. They just make it not to grow maybe like tall the way this. So they cut it a small piece like this. No, it's just this way. They cut it small, then they put it in a porcelain, and then now they make sure whenever it grows big they trim, so it grows up to this point. So it grows big like this banana inside the house, and very green. So over here we use them. Actually, this is our older bathroom. Over here, this is our old bathroom, and you can imagine, guys. We used to, instead of maybe building, we used this kind of, I don't know how we call them in English. Maybe you'll let me know at the comment section how you call this kind of a plant in English. This used to be the entrance. This used to be the entrance, and over here, it's a big stone down there. It's a very big stone. So we decided, like, instead of us putting that bathroom in maybe a place like there, and always when you bath the water splashes back to your body when it's dirty, my brother decided to build this kind of a bathroom. When we built this kind of houses, we used to have before even we built this kind of houses, we used to have mud houses over here. We used to have a lot of mud houses around here that maybe they could, when it rains a point like now and with windy, you start hearing them complaining. So that's a time of telling you, can I just fall on you today, or I give you more 2 days? So until God opened ways, now we came for a great encouragement. Whenever I see this home this way, I feel like, man, I'm grateful always. So this used to be our outdoor toilet, no, outdoor bathroom. So if you see there careful, if you watch there careful, that's a very big stone. So it was built around a stone. Yeah, so we decided, instead of us using, we used to use this kind of leaves. We call them banana leaves. We used to use the banana leaves to surround it, but my brother decided to cut all these kind of trees and put them around, just small space like this, and then they grew round. So some days we want to push it down, but he said no, that's history, so we are not supposed to put it down. So some days I just cut it for content creation, just trim it well nicely, we clean it again, and then it becomes a very nice place for just making content. Maybe outdoor shower in there, how to construct a, what we call like an outdoor bathroom in there. So yeah, anyway, that's it, and this is how it is. So he's trying to prepare, and also let me know in the comment section, what do you use for this kind of a plant? Is it medicinal? Because in most places in Asia, they always use this kind of plants they put them in the porcelain and then you see them. So I don't know what it means. Maybe good luck in their hotel or in their houses. So at the comment section, because I never got to ask them like, why do you put this kind of tree in your houses or in the entrance of your hotels? I never got a chance to ask them. So this is the best chance for me to also ask you guys, like, what do you think about that plant? Is it medicinal? Does it bring good luck maybe, or what does it mean? Or is just a flower as a flower, you know? Yeah, so that's it. So let him start this thing. For now he's trying to just balance, fix it, see what he can do, trying to, you know, to fix. Look carefully. He's trying to fix some trees inside so that it can balance this kind of flower, so it cannot fall down, you know. Yeah, some people are just talented, man. Is it a gift or a talent? Yeah, something out of plants and then it can become something very nice, you know. All right, but still our dog is not giving peace to this cat. So there, why you not giving peace to Kitty? And also my brother came with this kind of a broom that will be aiding us to also, because I've been sweeping with these other leaves, so he improvised this so that it can be better to sweep these dry leaves from this side all the way on the other side. How it's being done, okay? Are you becoming a bully or you are playing? Soothe. Huh? Why are you disturbing? See. Alright guys, how do you eat coconut? Down here at the coconut there's some 3 holes, so you can remove here and siphon water from inside the coconut. So this one I came with them from Mombasa. I came with a lot of them. So my sister and my mom, they always prepare coconut rice. They always do this using coconut. So with me, that's my wife. That's my wife Minhawi and True Boy. True Boy took her somewhere. So hi. So you can just see there's water here. So is it good to drink coconut water? They're medicinal also. Abebo.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon to you.
Where are you from?
Just running a few errands.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so I went away guys for like an hour and I'm back.
You're back.
Yes.
Introduce yourself.
Been Howie, as always. CJ's wife.
Mm-hmm.
And Maria's mother and Melo. Yeah, so
And an in-law to many.
And an in-law to many. First in-law. Yeah. And a content creator.
I'm eating coconut.
Enjoy.
Alright. What is it?
Those are just my things. Yeah, let me get to somebody in the house who's crying. I've been away for like an hour, so I'm back. So let me feed baby, then we'll come back. Okay.
It started raining a little bit and then I decided to go home. So look at this. The perfect of perfections of Mr. Scissors. Say hi from there with your scissors. Hey man, I think actually if I travel once again and I see good shears like those, I'll bring you some of the great. So like looks. Yeah, so the only thing is me, I don't know how to operate these scissors. Actually, that's why I tell you, everybody has his or her own talent. So, these kind of scissors. So this is how you see.
It looks nice.
Yeah, it looks great now, at least.
Not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm at the finishing line now. Not yet.
Okay. So he just decided to start with the inner side. Let me show you. Because he's just starting from the inner side over here. Because this one, even if when you come with your cow, yeah. Ingia bana ukule ndani kwanza. Ingia ukula ama ushakula? Wacha. Yeah, so that's what you see from in, and then now I'll also show you how this side is. I'm going to trim the other side of the sideways, and it looks great. Man. Yeah, the rain, chased him again. The rain chased him again, but he's still around because it started raining, and like let him go take a little shelter and we'll be ending this. Then before that, I'll show you, even if it's a short time, then we wanna finish it tomorrow. All right? Yes, the guy of the trimming of the flowers, the Mr. Man of Koleo, has started to make things happen. So this is what you see, so the bush-like place is going and it's moving. So this is what you see. So it's coming nicely and beautifully trimmed, that's what you see. So grooming home slowly by slowly with Jacob, So this is what you see. Trying to groom them, trimming them slowly by slowly, making it happen. So that's what you see all the way. I want to give you another 360 from down so that you can see. So he starts by this bigger one, the cornerstones, and then he goes now to the other one. So this one will be like a saucer, the moment he finishes these ones, then the straight ones are the ones that gives him a lot of hectic time. So he always starts with them and they become like saucer. So you see over here, he was already trimmed but not that much perfect. So he's going to perfect it until you see it. If it won't be on this, then we'll be having a finishing video for this, Yeah, great talent. My great talent is always speaking, Hey, big man. Or am I disturbing? It needs a lot of concentration. How is it? Things are moving on. Tell us, who taught you to work?
I will say here, when God gives you a skill or a talent, and you just come up with it, slowly by slowly you find yourself perfectly doing it. So mine is God talented. So
work experience. How many years?
Brother. By now it's almost approaching 15 years.
15 years of working and trimming. Okay, that's so nice, man. Impressive. You see, guys, 15 years work of experience. Work of experience or experience, because on your CV they always ask work experience. So 15 years, that is like 3 times of what maybe a company might need, because they always take 5+ years, and they say, now this 15 years you have qualified for 3 times companies. Yeah, so this is one of the greatest work. So I'll just show you what's happening over here. And for what you see, he hasn't even trimmed this well, but he just decided to cut them short, and then you see what will be happening. So this one, maybe on the next video you'll see what's happening. For now, because of the rain, is disturbing him a little, but we can't say it's really disturbing, but rain is just a blessing. So yeah, let's wait and see the end product of this for now. All right, okay. It was at night when he just got finished on this, but I'll just show you tomorrow how this video is. All right, so this is at night, and yeah, this is how it is. Despite that it's at night, I'll just show you on how everything will be up to tomorrow on the next video. Say thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Ensure subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and I really appreciate your love and support. Be blessed all the way from Kenya, Africa. Thank you so much, and bye. Bye, guys.